Now we're trying out this Katerk. Did I say that? Hot glue gun today. This thing really pumps out the glue. You don't have to pump the handle a lot to get the glue coming out. So if you're hanging out on a cold day, gluing stuff to other stuff might be the way to go. Takes about 60 seconds for it to heat up. Comes with a whole bunch of glue sticks. So you're kind of just ready to go right out the package. It's a pretty big handle. Works for small hands or big hands, I'd say. Yeah, look at how much glue comes out in one little pull. It just comes shooting out of there. I like that on the side. You can see how much stick you got left. And then nice big green light here by the on-off button. The on-off button isn't where your hand's going to bump it on accident and turn it off. Pretty sturdy with that stand too. So overall, seems like a decent glue gun.